Take me home, I wanna ride it. I wanna know, ride it. Just lose control, ride it. Ride it, my soul, ride it. Ride it, they feel you, ride it.
Pippa! Pippa! Pippa, come here! Pippa, come here! Pip, come here! Come on! Come here! Pippa!
Say what's up? Pretty boy. Pretty pudgy.
Can I get a fucking hour? Can you do it again? Do it again. That was so cool. Classic red tail scream. One more time.
This video is adorable, but the single thought that I've had this whole time is that this is what furries think that dogs and wolves look like, and I can't unsee it. No hate to the furry community.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little snaky snake. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
Me at my therapist's office.
Gunther, what kind of cat are you?
No thanks, I choose life.
Oh shit! He was grabbing me! Lulu.
So, I'm at work, and look what we caught. No water, no ice, cup of wasp.
What are you, Henry VIII? You want a divorce? You don't care what the Catholic Church says? I'll have a divorce. I'll have one. Oh my God.
Bought these cat shoe toys on Amazon. I've already got a man down. Devoted followers. You guys like them? Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Snow! Oh shit. It's on your nose! Oh shit.
Try to pick him up.
Oh, hey! That nigga can't even turn his head.
You like that punch?
Carlita, what are you doing in the house?